Hello, Madhukar sir. Again, okay. Hello. Good afternoon, sir. In 2 minutes, we'll start the program as we are waiting for principal sir to join. We welcome our joint secretary, Mr. Tanvir sir, to the FDP.
Hi,
Hello, sir. Yes. Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. If you like what you're doing, you may be successful. A very good afternoon to everyone present here, esteemed guests, distinguished colleagues, and participants hailing from diverse corners of the country. I extend a gracious welcome to the inaugural ceremony of 6 days virtual national level faculty development program on emerging research paradigms, methodology, analytical tools, and AI integration in collaboration with IMechE and Professional Education Society, which is being organized by Mechanical Engineering Department, Lord's Institute of Engineering and Technology. I am Dr. Sumit Hangargi, Associate Professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering. It's a privilege to serve you as a host, and it is with a profound honor that I preside over this esteemed occasions. Before we proceed, let us collectively recognize the profound significance of this moment. We are very thankful to our dignitaries, CA Janab Basha Moindin Sir, Chairman, Lord's Institute of Engineering and Technology, BITS Pilani alumnus, Honorable Vice Chairman Sir, Mohammad Tausif Ahmed Sir, Lord's Institute of Engineering and Technology, our Honorable Secretary, Mrs. Rizwana Begum Madam, Lord's Institute of Engineering and Technology, our Honorable CA, Mr. Tanvir Ahmed Sir, Joint Secretary, Lord's Institute of Engineering and Technology, respected Principal Sir, Dr. Ravi Kishore Singh, respected Vice Principal Sir, Dr. Syed Azam Pasha Khadri, and Head of the Department, Mr. R. Suman Sir, Associate Head, Mr. Samanta Madhukar Sir. Moving ahead, about Lord's Institute of Engineering and Technology. LIT is the leading engineering college in Hyderabad with autonomous status, with NBA accredited, NAC A grade twice, NBA with 3 times, and holds UGC 12F recognition. Starting with just 180 students, Lord's now has a 4,500 plus students from 20 plus Indian states and 15 plus nationalists across Africa and Asia, enrolled in BE, ME, and MBA, MTech programs. With over 12,000 graduates and 10,000 alumni globally, so we are here to conduct our program for 6 days virtual national level faculty development program. Now I request our head of the department, Mr. R. Suman sir, please address the gathering.
Thank you, Dr. Sumit sir. Yeah, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. So, respected Joint Secretary Tanvir Garu, Principal Dr. Ravi Kishore Singh sir, Dean IQSC Dr. Santan sir, Head of the Departments, dear faculty members and participants. A very good afternoon to everyone present here. So, it gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to this wonderful 6-day virtual national level faculty development program. The Department of Mechanical Engineering has started in the year of 2006 with the intake 60. There are many graduates from this Department of Mechanical Engineering. At present, we have 3 applications, 80 plus repeated journals, 8 plus different books, and we have a research laboratory on variable compression ratio. Apart from that, we also have 3D printing. 3D printing lab in collaboration with Makeva Technologies. And here, we all are here today, especially to encourage the faculty community towards this research. You all are familiar how this faculty development program, especially on research, is so important. Because if you see, according to this NIRF ranking, as per NIRF ranking, the India, it stood at 4th position, and with scholarly publication of around 5.39 percentage around world. And also we noticed at present, the China, which is leading at better position, and we are almost close to the China, and we have very qualitative repeated journals. We have very qualitative facilities. The country is providing many of the innovation ecosystems. So keeping all this in mind, that our management has decided to have this type of faculty development program to especially encourage to all the community people who are in the engineering level. So, behalf of Department of Mechanical Engineering, I thank our management, principal sir, deans and head of the departments for encouraging, for supporting and giving such a great platform. We ensure that we have a different resource persons from NITs, even IITs also. With this, by end of this sessions, like after 6 days, for sure that every participant will definitely carry, and they definitely transfer this, or definitely they gain the knowledge related to this research. And especially apart from academic, this research is definitely much helpful, and it is compulsory to all the faculty members to enrich our knowledge, to develop the department, to develop the organization, and to develop the state, and to develop the nation. So I requesting all the faculty, participants to have their sincere presentation. They have to attend for each and every session. These sessions are very interactive. You have to interact with all the resource person, and definitely this organization, Large Institute of Engineering and Technology and Department of Mechanical Engineering, will ensure the quality of faculty development program for all the participants. So with this, thank you each and every one of you for giving such a great time for us. So thank you so much. About to Dr. Sumit sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your insightful words. Now I request our Dean IQAC, Dr. Santan Kumar sir, to please address the gathering.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon to everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
First of all, respected resource persons, faculty members of Mechanical Engineering Department, and my dear participants. I warmly welcome you all for this wonderful FDP on emerging research paradigms, methodology, analytical tools, and AI integration. And certainly, this FDP is the need of the hour, which focus on emerging research areas, addressing different methods of research methodologies and different methods of research like qualitative analysis, analytical analysis, whatever it is. And certainly all the resource persons, I came to know that all the resource persons are from NITs and IITs with vast experience both in academics and research. And they will share a lot of insights towards making faculty participants to pursue their research. Nowadays, research is changing quickly. Traditional methods remain important, but new analytical tools and AI-based systems are reshaping how we identify problems, analyze data, and present results. And to stay ourselves relevant and effective, every academic must understand these developments. Every academician must understand these developments and use them in their work. I feel this FDP aims to help faculty strengthen their research skills. And certainly all the sessions were well planned. I have seen the schedule program, entire program schedule. Those were interconnected with one another. Now I sincerely request and encourage all the participants to stay engaged, be interactive with the resource persons, and make use of this opportunity to enhance your knowledge. So once again, I thank all the organizers, resource persons for planning this wonderful FDP. Wishing everyone a productive and enriching learning experience. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I request our Joint Secretary, Mr. Tanvir sir, to please acknowledge the audience presence.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, dignitaries, respected resource persons, mechanical HOD principal, Dean IQAC, and all the other faculties and of Lodge Institute, and also the faculties of other colleges who are taking part in today's FDP. It's very important for the faculties to host such FDPs so that apart from students, faculties can also learn the latest updates and also equip themselves with such skills that are required. With our outcome-based education, it's very important for us to stay relevant to the trends in the entire globe. As our HOD of Mechanical, Mr. Suman sir, said that China is growing a lot in terms of practical learnings and practical approach. Similarly, India is going to be second China in the future, and to produce globally relevant engineers and to have a standard of globally relevant standard and competence on par with with engineers from other countries. It's important to work on the newer areas, to explore the new latest research paradigms, and the outcome should be in a manner that our students get the benefit of a more practical approach education. Our mechanical department has been continuously hosting such important FDPs, and other departments also we has also have been hosting. So in the end of this FDP, I expect that everyone here, whoever are participating, get the best outcome and learn the latest research paradigms, whatever that are being taught by the research persons, and these can be implemented in your research, and which will also help ultimately in delivering or making a practical approach or outcome-based education approach for your students. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your insightful words, and definitely we'll make sure that our audience will get benefit from this FDP. And now I request thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your insightful words. We definitely will make sure that our audience will get benefit at the last after the 1 week, this 6 days FDP. Now I request our R&D Dean, Dr. Maksud Alam, sir, to please address the gathering. Hello.
Sir, please unmute yourself, sir.
Yes, yes. Okay, okay. Assalamu alaikum. A very good afternoon to all of you, respected dignitaries, faculty member, and researcher. It is really honor the Department of Mechanical Engineering Department. They are going to inaugurate this R&D initiative. Very good topic they have chosen. Where emerging research paradigms, methodology, analytical tools, and AI integration. So these are the things nowadays, everything is interdisciplinary and data-driven and technology-enabled models, because the world of research shifted from traditional to disciplinary specific investigations, where interdisciplinary and transdisciplinary research are going on, data-driven decision making is going on, open science and collaboration is going on, and also sustainable and
Sir,
impact-oriented
sir,
research is going on.
sorry to interrupt you, sir. I think your voice is not audible.
It is fine now.
Yeah, now it's okay, sir.
It's okay. So good afternoon, all of you. This is the first day I am going to inaugurate the R&D initiative. The name of the title of the FDP is Emerging Research Paradigms, Methodology, Analytical Tools, and AI Integration. There basically we are going to discuss three key pillars. One is the emerging research paradigms methodology. We are going to discuss with various resources from IIT and NIT, also different analytical tools, and also AI integration, which is very important because nowadays the world of research is shifting from traditional to interdisciplinary and data-driven and technology-enabled models. So it is really like congratulations to the Department of Mechanical, basically our vice uh, uh, our vice principal sir, HOD sir, and all other organizing committee members. They have taken the initiative to start this major trend where those things which I have just now mentioned, they have included, as well as they have included the sustainable or impact-oriented research part. So moving beyond to the traditional model, and this method also is there. Basically, this analytical tools which entire model research part, where I think so we are going to discuss regarding all the different tools, statisticals and quantitative, also data science and big data visualization, reporting part. This will be very, very beneficial for the attendees, as well as the I think so globally connected and technologically empowered innovative culture can bring in our uh, uh, institute. So hopefully the future belongs to researchers who can integrate all these things to produce an impactful and sustainable solution for the society. Thank you very much, and I look forward to seeing the groundbreaking research that will emerge from this platform. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so
Thank you for your insightful words. It was really motivational within the R&D. Now I request our principal, Dr. Ravi Kishore Singh, sir, to please address the gathering. I request our principal, sir, Dr. Ravi Kishore Singh, sir, to please address the gathering. I hope my voice is audible to all.
Sir, please inform principal sir is not available. Please inform. Sir,
I'll inform, sir. Sir, unmute हो गया अभी sir. Hello. No. One second. Sir, one second. Again, call ಮಾಡಕತ್ತಾನೆ principal.
sir, please verify. Sir. Ravi Kishore, sir.
Good afternoon, everybody. Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Your voice is audible now.
Yeah, because I was unmuted from your dashboard.
We are
Okay.
really sorry for that.
Good afternoon, everybody, and I welcome you for this faculty development program on research paradigms, on new analytical tools, AI enabled. As very clearly, AICT has been telling us long back that this teaching which you are doing is only 30 to 40% of your work. And the other workload is you have to develop yourself, you have to do the research, you have to publish papers. And let me tell you, research is a very easy thing. You're not inventing anything anyway. Only you're doing is searching it again all over. That's why it's called research. You are searching it again, something which is existing, something which is already done. You improve it, you better it up using AI tools, using the new research paradigms, and you do wonders with that. See, and let me Another thing which is coming off late is that most of your research should be in the line with the SDG, Sustainable Development Goals, which are laid down by the. This is slightly important off late because anything which you do should be creative, should be of value to the society and the nation. And that's how you're going to progress the country, progress the society. I've gone through the list of the speakers. They are really eminent people who are experts in their field, and we lovely listening to them, getting down to their ideas and taking ideas from them and then pitching it up for yourself. And I'm very proud of my mechanical engineering department, which is doing excellently well. In most of the engineering college principals, when I talk to them, they say, "Yaar, mechanical mein thodi problem hai." But I am the one of the proud principal who says my mechanical is the best. They are doing the second FDP of the year. Another one was again EICT funded with on 3D printing with medical benefits of 3D, medical side of 3D benefits, and this is going to be another hit. We are already worked for it for a very long time, and I congratulate my youngest HOD Suman with his team of my vice principal, who is his guru and my very close partner, Dr. Azam Basha, has taken keen interest in the whole development of the program. Madhukar, another thorough gentleman and a dedicated person who has worked out everything for you, and the team of mechanical engineering, including my hero Smith, who's been the anchor for the day. So I wish you all the best, and I'm sure you're going to do well, and I'm sure people are going to learn a lot from you. Thank you so much, Team Mechanical.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your wonderful and insightful words, which has motivated us for your just 3 minutes of your speech. Thank you very much, sir, for motivating again, as usual. There's no doubt on it. Now we start with the program. The speaker. Hope we have Dr. Ganesh B. Narkhade, sir, with us today.
No. Sir, yes, sir. I am here.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Very good afternoon, sir.
Okay, sir. Sir, I'll just 2 minutes, sir.
Yes, sure, sir.
So now we have our first speaker, Dr. Ganesh B. Narkhade, sir, who is working as an assistant professor at Vishwakarma Institute of Information Technology, Pune. He has completed his Bachelor of Engineering in Mechanical from MGMS COE Nanded. He has also completed his MTech Mechanical COEP Pune with NRF ranking 52. And he has completed his PhD in Production Engineering COEP Pune with NRF ranking 71. And he's pursuing his postdoctorate fellow from Amity University, Dubai. So his research journey is centered around the convergence of advanced manufacturing technologies, sustainability, and operations management. If we focus on exploring the transformative role of Industry 4.0 and 5.0 technologies in achieving triple bottom line sustainability across SMEs and supply chains, with over 10 Scopus and Web of Science index publications. His work contributes to the scholarly discourse and practical frameworks in sustainable development, digital transformation, and project governance. He actively collaborated with international institutions and industry partners, ensuring his research maintains both academic rigor and practical acceptability. He is committed to pursuing high-impact research, interdisciplinary collaborations, and contributing to capacity building through mentoring PhDs and postgraduate researchers. Thank you, sir. We welcome you for the first day of our faculty development program, and the session is all yours.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Just let me share my screen. Yeah, is my screen visible, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Your
yes,
screen is
sir.
Yes,
visible.
sir. Yes, you are. Sorry,
Yeah.
your screen is
Okay,
visible.
okay, okay. Thank you. Yeah, is my PPT visible, sir?
Okay,
Okay.
it's visible.
Screen is visible, sir.
Yeah. Okay, okay. Thank you. Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. The pursuit of knowledge is incomplete until we
Sir, we can.
present.
Sorry, sir. We can't see your PPT.
Just a
Just
minute.
have a check. I think you should scale entire screen to make it visible to
Okay,
all on the
okay.
meeting.
Just a
Yeah.
minute. Just a minute. Let me share once
Yes.
again.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, is it visible?
Yes, sir. Visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, okay.
Please carry
Okay,
on, sir.
so
Thank you.
yeah, shall we start, sir?
Yes, sir. Go ahead, please.
Yeah, okay. The pursuit of knowledge is incomplete until we present our thoughts effectively in our research paper. As a researchers, we spent months and even years to design our study for experimentation, for collecting our data, and to publish our paper. But let me tell you one thing. The success of our research is not only depends upon what we discover, it also depends on how do we present our results to catch the attention, to attract the attention of editors and reviewers. So before we proceed with the session, so you so you still remember the math. So and on the other you
Sir, sir,
research
your
was
voice is breaking, sir.
very.
Hello, sir.
Okay, okay. Am I audible now? Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So on the other hand, you might have read another paper where theme was very good, research topic was very good, but the presentation made it difficult to understand the results or to interpret the paper, isn't it? So that is what brings us to our today's theme, that is descriptive bibliometric and content analysis using RStudio and WASViewer. So the theme is means why we have chosen this theme, because so if we know the tools to convert our initial draft of research paper into a polished and impactful paper, so that we can publish that paper in quality journal. So that is what I thought, and based on that I have chosen this descriptive bibliometric and content analysis using RStudio and WASViewer. So in today's session we'll be talking about these two tools, RStudio and WASViewer. In addition to that, I'll be talking about that mainly, so that will help us to how we can use these tools effectively to make your paper impactful. So first of all, I will quickly introduce myself, and after we'll proceed with our session. So I'm Dr. Ganesh Narkede. I had completed my engineering from MGM's College of Engineering in 2009. Then after I had started my industry career from Gaurav Engineering Private Limited as a junior engineer, trainee engineer. And after 2 years of experience in that company, I worked for Volvo Asia Commercial Limited Indore, and then after I worked for Tata Motors, so from 2011 to 2013. But at the same time I was preparing for my GATE exam, and I scored well and took admission in COEP for MTech in Design, which is the third oldest engineering college which was established in 1854. So it is also one of the renowned colleges in Maharashtra. Then after I started working as a lecturer in ASMS Polytechnic, and after completion of my MTech, I shifted to means ASMS Engineering College. So since 2019, I have been working with Vishwakarma Institute of Technology, and parallelly I was pursuing my PhD from CAP itself in Production and Industrial Management. And in 2023, May 2023, I completed my PhD, and currently I'm pursuing my postdoc from Amity University, Dubai. And apart from that, I have 13 quality research publications in ABDC rank journals, SCI and Scopus journals. So, so this is my so recent research publication. So intentionally, I have shown here the publications of 2023-24. So when you look at this publication, so in 2023-24, I published 7 papers. And when you look at all these 7 papers, so except that this number 6 was my PhD paper. So except that 6 number paper, so I when you look at all other 7 papers, so I am the first author for all the 7 paper. And when you look at the quality of this paper, so my collaborators are from Dublin City University, Ireland, IIT Varanasi, Cummins Turbo Technologies, USA, and Cummins Engineering Components, USA, Fluid Controls Private Limited, Pune. And means I want to highlight the collaboration across the world, and from academia as well as from industry as well. And when we talk in context of quality, so out of this paper, the 5 papers are are in ABDC rank journals. One is in A ranked ABDC journal, one is in B ranked ABDC journals, and 3 are in C ranked ABDC journals. All 13, so whatever 13 papers I have published till now, so all 13 are SCI index, means that they are Web of Science index and Scopus index. 8 are Q1, 3 are Q2, and 1 is in Q3 ranking. And one thing I would like to highlight here, I haven't spent a single rupee. I must highlight this sentence. I haven't spent a single rupee, neither for publication nor for public and nor for experimentation. So that is the most important thing I would like to highlight here. I haven't spent a single rupee, neither for publication nor for experimentation. So all paper, or whatever paper I have published till now, so all are subscription based. And how I how I could publish all this paper. So I'm not exaggerating the things. I just want to tell you, if I can do this, anybody can do this. Isn't it? If I can achieve this, so you also can achieve this. So the only thing is required, that is the proper knowledge of tools, what we can use to polish your paper, and where to publish, and the third thing is your dedication. So these are the 3 things required from your side. So this is my the first A rank ABDC publication, recently published in July. In July 2025. So you might be aware about that ABDC publications. So for example, as per recent data, you can see as per recent data, recent data shows for every A ranked ABDC journal, there are approximately 28 28 Web of Science, means SCI index journal, and 48 Scopus index journals. That means if you publish one A ranked ABDC journal, that will be equals to 48 Scopus papers. So according to the recent data, so this is my first A ranked ABDC, and the second A ranked ABDC is in publication phase, means that second paper got accepted and will be published shortly in a week or 2. So that is what I wanted to highlight. Means I'm not exaggerating the things. I just wanted to show you. Means I just wanted to means tell you that if I can do this, if I can achieve this, so anybody can achieve this. So and the most important thing, most of us think that publication means publishing literature reviews in quality journals is difficult. Rather means I would say publication or the publishing literature reviews in quality journals is the most easiest thing, means rather than experimentation and data analysis. So the if you wish to write a literature review, so that will be the easiest thing, and you can target means even A ranked ABDC journals to publish your paper. So how we can publish this means how we can write effective quality literature reviews with the help of this tool. So let's see. So first of all, I will be showing you how to extract the data from Scopus.com. How we'll be using the same data for analyzing the data, means for descriptive and bibliometric analysis, by using tools like RStudio and Was Reverse. So first of all, you just go through this video, and means means you will come to know how we can extract the data from Scopus. So I will run this video, so you just go through this. I hope my screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
So I work on Industry 4.0. So my first keyword is Industry 4.0, and you can see what Boolean syntaxes I am using. So here I changes to OR. So now I will be putting Industry I 4.0. So some people call it Industry 4.0, or the short form is I 4.0. So after the second keyword will be for, means that the third keyword will be fourth industrial revolution. So here I am using OR syntaxes, and now we will be using AND syntax. So the next keyword is sustainable development or sustainable manufacturing. So here I will be using sustainable development or sustainable manufacturing. So I have recorded this video. So actually I'm at my hometown. So there is bit issue of network and the power. So that's why I already have recorded this video. So I'm showing that recorded video only. Okay, so once we are done with this keyword, so you can click on this search button, so that means look at this. So now we have this 7,407 documents. So if we look at this combination, means I have extracted the data of the papers published in Industry 4.0 and sustainable manufacturing field. So now we have a database of 7,407 documents. Here you can see, if you can follow my cursor, here you can see there are 7,407 papers available in Scopa database. So I won't be using all the papers. So I will be using some filters. So let's say for this I am using 2020 to 2026 span base. So, and then after I will be using some additional filters, like I will be using subject areas in engineering, business management, and all other things. Apart from that, you can choose means articles, or you can exclude conference paper if you do not wish to include that incomplete, or means if you want to exclude that conference paper, you can exclude. So here I will be using only article, means the research articles and the review papers. I'm excluding here conference paper or the book chapters. So your language I'm using only English, and apart from that there are some source title, means the journals. So I will be using only quality journals. So you can select the journals which you wish to select for this, and then after just a minute. Okay, so these are the journals which you can select, and then after you can click on limit to. So once you click on limit to, so you will get only 713 documents. So now you can export all these 713 documents from this export button. So click on export. So once you click on export, just a minute. You can export that in CSV format, and you just have to tick this bibliographical information and abstract and abstract and keywords. So you can export all this information in a single CSV file. So look at this. So you have exported the document 410 documents in a single CSV file. So what does CSV file consist of? So let me show you. I will come back to this PPT once again. So before that, I will show you what this CSV file consists of. Is my screen visible, sir?
Yes, sir. It is visible.
Yeah. Okay. So look at this. So this is the CSV file we have taken from that Scopus database. So this file will have all the information. You can see authors, author full names, author's ID, title of the paper, take a year of publication, and after source title means the name of the journal, volume, issue, and all these things. In addition to that, you can see the abstract. You can read that abstract as well. Okay, then after author keywords, okay, and all these things will be given in this file. So this is how you can download all this data, and how we'll be using the same data for our analysis. I will be showing with the help of tools. So we have downloaded this data. I will be copying the data on my data on my desktop. Okay. So here we saw how we can extract the data from the Scopus database. Actually, the only thing is that we need to consider that all of us do not have this access to Scopus.com. So very few of us might have that Scopus database access. So you may need to ask some IIT or IIM people, or the people who review paper for elsewhere journal. So they get 1 month subscription for this Scopus database. So they only can download this data. But if you have this CSV file, it will be very easy to write your literature review papers. So it's just a matter of understanding these tools, and we can write paper effectively. So let's see how you can write this paper. So first of all, we'll be performing descriptive analysis. So what is this descriptive analysis? Descriptive analysis is involves summarizing, categorizing, and explaining the key characteristics, themes, and findings from existing literature. It helps us to categorize the literature, to summarize key findings, to find the temporal trends, to describe, to underscore the descriptive statistics, and perform thematic analysis, and to perform some visualization. So with the help of this descriptor analysis, you can prepare a nice charts including annual scientific production, world cloud, tree map, trending topic, co-citation network, histogram, collaboration network, average citation per year, 3-field plot, most relevant sources, and many more. From this descriptive analysis and from that tool, you can plot at least 50 different types of graphs. At least 50 different types of graphs. So how will be able to plot this graph? So let's see. So these are the some graphs I have shown here. So we just go through this graphs, and after I will take you to that tool. So we just go through this. The first one is annual scientific production, average citations per year, 3-field plot, most relevant sources, then after core sources, sources production over time, and most relevant authors, global cited documents, reference spectroscopy. This is another example of word cloud, tree map, trending topics, thematic map, factorial analysis, co-citation network, historiograph, collaboration network, and this is control scientific production. So these are the few graphs which we can plot with the help of this descriptive analysis. So how we'll be using this descriptive analysis, and when we'll be using that RStudio, so that time itself I will be explaining the significance of this graphs. So before that I will show you one paper. Before that I will show you that paper, so that you will come to know the significance of this tool, or the means how to write that that literature review paper effectively. I hope this PDF is visible to you. Is it?
Yes, sir. Yes, it is.
Yeah. So look at this journal, International Journal of Production Research. So IJPR, International Journal of Production Research, is one of the most renowned journals in my field. So if you look at operational management or industrial engineering context, so IJPR is one of the leading journals. So in this journal, that literature review paper, that zero defect manufacturing 2024, a literature review, holistic literature review for bridging the gaps and forward outlook. So this paper was published in 2024. So look at this paper. So I will just go through this paper so that you will come to know the significance of what we are going to see in coming time. So I will just go through this paper. So look at this. Look at this. Look at this plots. We already I have shown this kind of graphs in PPT. So you can see all these graphs. So look at this. You can look at this plot, all these plots. So the same kind of plots we are going to plot by using that RStudio. Look at this. So this is another tool, that is Was Viewer. So I will be showing that that Was Viewer as well. So you can see. Look at this network diagrams. And this is an analysis. Isn't it? So I will be showing you how to perform all this descriptive, bibliometric, and content analysis by using only two tools. The first one is RStudio and the second one is Was Viewer. So the first of all, we'll start with RStudio. So before we proceed with RStudio, let me tell you one thing. If you wish to use this, first of all, you will have to download and after RStudio. Then only you will be able to use this RStudio. In RStudio, there are different packages. So out of these packages, I will be using this bibliometrics package. So you will have to click on this bibliometrics. So then bibliometrics package will be called here. It takes time. Okay, done. So there is one more command, that is biblioshiny. So I will be copying this command and I will run this command once again. Okay, so once you run this command, it will take you to another page here. There you can perform that bibliometric, or sorry, descriptive analysis. Is it visible? Biblioshiny page, is it visible?
Yes, sir. It is visible, sir.
Yeah, okay. So I will click on data. Okay, then after import. So from here I can import that file. So database will be using Scopus database because we have downloaded that file from Scopus. So I will be changing to Scopus, and here from here I can select that file. So here I am using I'm browsing that file, and I will click on start. So once you click on start, so it will extract all the information from that CSV file, and it will show you the summary of that information. Whatever information they have, that this tool has extracted from that tool, from that CSV file, it will show you the summary. Just a minute. Yeah, done. So here you can see abstract, affiliation, author, DOI number, document type, keywords, all these things. This tool has extracted from that CSV file. So now I will close this, and then now we are ready to perform our analysis, descriptive analysis. So first of all, I will click on this overview. So here overview itself, you can see there are many more. There are four options. So first of all, I will click on this main information and look at this. So this will give you the highlights of the data what we are going to study. So here we have chosen the time span from 2009 to 2025. So we have selected only 7 sources, means 7 journals. We have chosen only 7 leading journals from where we have taken that scope of data, and now we are going to ask data of 410 papers, annual growth rate, authors, single authors, okay, and all the author keywords and all these things is given in this summary. Then after, the second one is annual scientific production. So look at this. So this will show you the annual scientific production trend. So you can use this chart as well. Then after average citations per year. So this is showing the average citations per year trend. And after three field plot. So this three field plot is one of the most important plots which you can use for your research paper. Only thing is that as like the other three plots we saw just now, so you will have to select your three fields on your own. So here I will be selecting that first one, that is author. The second one is I will be selecting keywords, and this third one I will be using, let's say, sources. Okay, so now you can plot this three field plot. So this is how you can plot this three field plot. So now it's a bit difficult to read. So what I will do, I will reduce this number of items. So let's say I will reduce this authors, or I will be considering only top 10 authors, top 10 keywords, and top 10 sources. I hope it is visible to you.
Yes, sir. Visible.
Yeah. Okay. So now I will run this once again. So now it's you can read this. So here this is how you can analyze this. Means you can once you take your cursor to each of the points, so you can read this clearly, and you can understand the connections. Means with the help of this three field plot, you can understand what are the recent themes going on in this particular field, what are the most prominent authors contributing to this particular theme, and what are the most important sources or the journals which are contributing to that particular theme. So this will help you, this three field plot will help you where to focus, and means which journal you can target on, and which authors paper publications you can look for. Okay, so this is how, means even if you look at only this three field plot, so this will give you the better picture. So you need to go here and there. Okay, so this three field plot will give you better picture. In addition to that, when I go to source, then after I will go to most relevant sources. So once I click on this, so this most relevant sources will give you the top 10 top 10 journals which are contributing to this field. So Journal of Cleaner Production, Computer and Industrial Engineering, Business Strategy and Environment, all these things. So these are the top 10 top journals which are contributing to this particular field. Again, here I will click on this Bradford's law. So here you can see local impact and sources production over time. So there are so many plots you can plot with the help of this bibliometrics package. Apart from that, so authors, most relevant authors. So this will give you the most relevant authors, the most prominent authors which are contributing to this particular field. Then after authors production over time, look at this. So you can see this graph. So this will show you which are the authors and their production over time. So this is showing the publication trend over time. So you can see. So this will give you the better pictures, means what are the recent themes going in this particular theme, and which themes we need to focus. Apart from that, you can go for this authors country scientific production. So this will show you from this bibliometrics package, you can plot at least 50 different types of graphs. So at least 50 different types of plots. So I'm showing you only the few important. So here you can see the countries which are contributing the most in this particular field. China is contributing 431 papers. Then after India is with 197 papers, and after this Canada with 33. Then after USA with 69. Then after Brazil with 105. Okay, so this is how you can understand, and you can put this kind of plots in your paper. Then after you can understand the clustering as well, clustering by coupling or the social structure, thematic map. So this is also one of the important thematic map, one of the important plot which you can use to identify the recent themes in this particular area. So this thematic map will help you to identify the recent themes. So here you can see industry 4.0, circular economy, and supply chain. So these are the motor themes which you can target for your research. From this data is showing that these are the three themes: industry 4.0, circular economy, and supply chain, which are which will be in picture in coming years. Apart from that, there are few more. Let me show you. Yes, so this is one of the most important plot, that is word cloud. So this will show you the important points in this particular important themes in this particular domain. Then for tree map, so the important plot tree map. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Audible,
Yeah.
sir. You're audible.
Yeah, I hope you are getting all these things.
Yes,
Actually,
yes.
I'm rushing through this actually tool. What happened? So I'm at my hometown, and actually we have a power shortage today. So my intention is to complete this tool, so that if you have any question afterwards, so I can respond it, means your question from my mobile. So that is why I'm rushing a bit, so that you will get better insights.
Okay, sure, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So this is all about this bibliometrics package, means with the help of which we perform the descriptive analysis. So with the help of descriptive analysis, uh, one minute, I will be showing you one of my paper, so that you will come to know how I am using this. Recently, my paper, one of my paper published in this particular. Just a minute, I will be showing you that paper. Look at this. So this paper got published recently, 4th October 2025. So look at this. So this is also tri-dimensional review, bibliometrics and descriptive and bibliometrics and content analysis. So here I have used this descriptive and bibliometric analysis. Look at this. Look at these plots. We are talking about this plot. Look at this. I have used all these plots which we are talking about. So if you wish, I can share this paper with you,
Thank
so
you,
that
sir.
you will come to know. Yeah, you will come to know better way. So here for this paper, so this is this paper got published in SCI and Scopus. It's Q1 journal. Okay. So second tool is RStudio. Sorry, was viewer. We just talked about RStudio. The second one is was viewer. So for was viewer as well, we are using the same file. Whatever CSV file we have taken from that Scopus database, we'll be using the same file to perform that bibliometrics analysis as well. So that is why I am saying, if you have that CSV file, you can perform things. You can write that paper very easily. You need not to go here and there. You can perform the descriptive and bibliometrics paper very easily. So this is another tool. So I will click on this create. I will choose. I will select that second option, create a map based on bibliometric data, because we are going to perform bibliometrics analysis. So we'll be using that second. Next, now we'll be using that first option itself, because we are using that Scopus database. So we can use either Web of Science, Scopus, or other databases. So we are using Scopus, so that is why we have chosen that first one. Next, and after I will click on that Scopus. So from here we can browse that file. So that file I have kept it on my desktop, so I'll be using that same file. Okay, next. Okay, so here we are co-occurrence of the keywords. So I will click on that co-occurrence of the keywords. and then I will click on next. So there are 4,112 keywords. So out of this 4,112 keywords, so 221 meet the threshold of at least, means the 221 keywords have been repeated at least 5 times. So if I reduce this, so you can see that keyword, this figure is increasing. So if I furthermore increase this, so you can see this number is increasing. So I will put it to, let's say, 6. So now the keywords which are repeated at least 6 times, so there are 170, there are 175 keywords. So next, so here these are the 175 keywords. So out of this 175, if you wish to exclude some keywords, so you can exclude them from the analysis. Let's say if I exclude, let's say, this, and after click on finish. So look at this. So this is how you can plot this bibliometrics analysis. You can perform this bibliometrics analysis. So this network diagrams, actually this is called as network diagram, isn't it? So this network diagram will help you to identify your research problem. This will help you to identify the keywords which will be helping you to pursue your study. Okay, look at this. So if I take my cursor to the, let's say, this one, sustainable development, so this will help you, this will identify the keywords in the keywords which are relevant to that thing. That if I take my cursor to industry 4.0, so this will show you the keywords relevant to industry 4.0. Thereafter, if I my cursor to sustainability, so it will show you the keywords related to sustainability. So this will help you to identify your problem statement. This will help you to identify the keywords, and this will help you to formulate your research problem statement. But how, it depends on your perspective. How this will you, it depends on your perspective. In addition to that, you can perform this overlay visualization. Here you can see, you can plot this 3 kind of plots with the help of this watch viewer. The first one is network visualization, the second one is overlay visualization, and the third one is density visualization. But out of these 3, if you use this first one and the second one, so that will be enough. So what is the difference in this network visualization and overlay visualization? The only thing is that you can see there are different types of cluster highlighted by different colors. And here in overlay visualization, you can see only 3 to 4 colors: blue, yellow, green, and the blue one. So what does this? So in this overlay, you can see the keywords which are highlighted by the blue colors were being researched in 2020. Okay, and in 2023, you can look at this. So whatever keywords are being highlighted by these green colors are being discussed recently. So this will help you to identify the recent research theme, isn't it? That doesn't make any sense in studying or the working on the theme which has been being discussed since 2010 or 2000, isn't it? So it will be very difficult to publish paper in that particular theme. So that for theme should be in such a way that it means that theme has come up recently. So this overlay visualization will help you to understand the recent research themes, isn't it? So this will help you to identify the recent themes from your particular domain. I hope you're getting what I'm talking about. And the third one is density visualization. So this will help you to identify the center of your. So when you look at this, so this is sustainable development, industry 4.1, sustainability. These are the 3 centers of this paper, of these themes. But I will recommend you to use only these 2. The first one is network visualization, which will help you to understand your theme effectively, and this overlay visualization to help this will help you to identify the recent themes, so that you can formulate your problem effectively, isn't it? So that is what all about this RStudio and VOSViewer. I hope you got insights from these 2 tools. Apart from that, I would like to tell you one more thing. So we have time, so that so this is Scopus here I will be showing you how to extract the data from that scopus. So here I will put that's 4.0, then after I 4.0 I will change it to R, then after I will directly put sustainable development, sustainable development and sustainable manufacturing. Okay. Once you click on search, so look at this 7,470 documents we can means we can see. Then I will restrict it to 2020 to 2026. Now that 7,400 is reduced to 6,472. After if I click on this, so again it will reduced. I will be using only article and review papers. Then after source title, I will be using only few journal of cleaner production and business strategy and all these things. So this is how you can select journals in your area, and you can limit it to. So now we have this 723. So you can click on, and after you can download this CSV. So the only thing you have to keep it in mind, so don't forget to tick on this bibliometric information and abstract keywords, so that you can download all these things. So now this you can see, if you can follow my cursor, so that 723 documents have been downloaded. So now look at this. So these 723 documents have been downloaded in a single CSV file. It's not document, the information is taken from all the 723 documents. So look at this. So this is how you can take this information and you can write, you can perform that descriptive and bibliometric analysis. So in addition to that, this single file will help you to cite your paper in your file. How this will help you? Another tool will be talking about that. Mainly, many of you might be knowing that mainly the let me open one more file. Or let's say, okay, I will take another new file. Okay. Suppose, so from this paper I have taken something. So let's say I have taken this from this paper, but we can't put as it is. But here, suppose we have taken this content from that file and we have refreshed it. We have refreshed that content and we have to cite that paper, isn't it? So we have taken this and we have to cite this paper. So what I will be doing, I will be copying this DOI number. You need not to have that PDF file. I will be just copying this DOI number. So that DOI number is given in this file itself. This is the DOI number, isn't it? So you can copy that DOI number and you can use this. Mainly is another tool, but this tool is used to cite the papers. So till then I will show you how to perform that content analysis. So till now we talked about descriptive analysis and bibliometric analysis. Now we'll be talking about content analysis. This Scopus.com itself content analysis. Look at this. So you can see different types of graphs. Okay, so you can see there are 723 which will be year wise trend, Here you can see that year-wise trend. Okay, then after you can see documents per source. Okay, documents by author, documents by affiliation, documents by subject area, documents by type, like a document by country, and document by funding sponsor. So this is how you can perform this content analysis. So this will help you to understand this content analysis. Means that Scopus.com itself will help you to perform that content analysis. This is how you can perform descriptive analysis with the help of RStudio, bibliometric analysis with the help of VOS and that content analysis by using this Scopus.com itself. In addition to that, we'll be discussing about how to cite the same paper, okay, by using that mainly. So what we did, okay, done. So from this file we have GUI number. So once again I will be showing you. I will copy this GUI number. I will go to mainly. I already have downloaded that mainly. You just click on file. You just need to click on that add entry manually, and then you just have to paste this GUI number inside that GUI. So once you paste that GUI number and you click on this search button, so everything will be saved. You just click on save. So copy this title. You just need to copy this title, and now you come to your Word file. Okay, so this is where we have to add that citation, isn't it? So I will click on references, insert citation, and I will paste whatever we have copied, isn't it? Okay, done. Isn't it? So you can see we already have copied. So here I have selected that AP IEEE style. So I will be selecting APA 7th edition. So within a second you can change this, isn't it? And in addition to that, you can add you can insert bibliography on its own. Means we need not to paste that bibliography. Okay, so once I click on this insert bibliography, that bibliography will be added on its own. We need not to do anything. Okay, that bibliography will be added on its own. Then after I will go to that file again. So let's say again I read that abstract, and from this abstract I have selected some content from here, and now I took it to my file somewhere here. Let's say I pasted another paragraph, and now I will be citing this paper. So first of all, I will copy this GUI number once again. I will go to that mainly. After I will go add entry manually. Then after paste that GUI number here. I will search for that. I will save, and now I will copy this title, and now I will go back to my Word file. Okay, then to insert citation, I will paste whatever we have copied. Okay, done. Look at this, isn't it? So it will means you can cite that paper very easily, and you need not to insert that bibliography. Means you need to copy paste every time. So it will be added on its own. You need to do nothing. In addition to that, advantage of this mainly tool, if you are let's say if you submit your paper to, let's say, Emerald Journal or Village Journal, so they will accept this 7th edition style, isn't it? But somewhere means if you are submitting your paper to somewhere else and they are asking about IEEE style, so in IEEE style the citations are given in square brackets, isn't it? You might be aware if you put and if you're submitting your paper to some conferences, so in that case you need to give the citation in square brackets. So if you have to provide the citation in square brackets, so it will take days and days to convert that APA 7 to into IEEE, isn't it? Am I talking sense? Am I?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So here, what I will do now, I wish to convert this APA 7th edition into IEEE style. So what I will be doing here, I will just click on that citation, and I will change it to this APA 7 to IEEE. So within a second, I can change it to IEEE style, and without any mistake, without any error. So this is one of the most important thing. Because of that, the drawback, because of that, we are not able to publish our paper in because of we do in citations or bibliography. So this is one of the most important thing. But if you are using this mainly, that mainly will take care of all these things. and within a second. Now, if I wish to change it to, let's say, Chicago style, you are submitting your paper to some other journal where they are asking about Chicago style. So from here itself, I will be using that Chicago style. Let's say I'm using Chicago. Look at this. Within a second, you can change that style very easily, and without any mistake. So when you look at this bibliography as well, so if I when I change it to IEEE, so that time, so that IEEE style, that bibliography will be as per the sequence, isn't it? Means once you cite this paper number one, so that paper one number will be shown here. Okay, that two will be shown afterwards, isn't it? So but when you consider that APA 7th edition or any other style, so in that case it will be given as per the alphabetical order. Look at this, isn't it? So it will take days and days. If you are going manually, if you are changing all these things manually, so it will take days and days. And even means after spending days, few days, so there will be so many mistakes. And because of that reason, that your paper will get come written, isn't it? So this is how this tool will help you. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So these are tools which I wanted to share with you. So my battery is only 14%, so I don't think I will be able to take it further. So actually, I'm extremely sorry for that. Actually, we have a power shortage today, so that's the problem, and that is why I took it very fast. So if you have any question related to this, you can or you can reach to me on my WhatsApp or email. So I will respond you. Means
Yes, sir.
if you are connected to this, you can ask me, or in between, if I get disconnected, so I will be joining with my mobile and I will respond accordingly.
Yeah, sir. You just highlighted that R studio and was studio was viewer.
Was viewer.
Yeah. In that, I think paper abstract only is selected in the PSV now. So whole paper is not studied or what?
Keywords.
Only keywords.
When okay. I will go back. Studio.
Means that plots and graphs we have done. It is only related to keywords.
Yes. No, not keywords. So most of the means when you look at all the plots now, so different plots highlight different things. So when you look at that three-field plot, we discussed about the three-field plot, right? So what that three-field you, what are the main journals which are contributing? What are the recent key, or what are the important keywords in that particular theme, and what are the researchers? What are the prominent researchers contributing to that theme? So that three-field plot was highlighting researchers, journals, and keywords, not only keywords. Okay, when you look at that word cloud, so that word cloud was taking the data from abstract. Okay, not it was taking data from abstract. So in abstract, what are the keywords? So it was analyzing that, and it was plotting that tree map accordingly. But even if you look at that keywords now, keywords means the three-field plot and word cloud or the tree map, so it is more than enough. It is more than enough to identify your theme or to formulate your research problem statement. So you can do one thing. So I will send you my paper. Okay, if you send you my paper, so once you go through that paper, you will come to know means how you can use this RStudio or the that descriptive data to formulate your problem statement.
Okay, like new the PhD those who are pursuing, if they
Yes.
need to prepare like review paper and all, so I
Yes.
think partially it will helpful for them. Yes.
Exactly. That is what I have chosen this. Whenever we pursue our PhD, sir, so that time our first task is to publish your literature review paper. isn't it? And the people think is that it is very difficult to publish review paper in quality journals, isn't it? But my perspective, it is the means easiest thing to publish literature review paper in quality journal. Out of this, my 13 papers, 7 to 8 papers are literature reviews only, and with the help of this tool only. Means what R Studio, was Viewer mainly, and there are few more tools, okay, which I use. Okay, so with the help of these two tools only, I perform all this analysis and write paper on my own. That is why I have chosen this thing. There are few more mathematical modeling tools as well, but I haven't considered this mathematical modeling for this session.
So regarding the CSV file, sir, which is from the scoopers.com website you have downloaded. So is it
Uh-huh.
possible for everyone to do this kind of exercise by logging?
No, exactly. No. Actually, what happened that Scopus database is a paid means what from wherever I've taken this file now. So actually, look at this. So when you look at this, so this is paid version. Means you will have to means you need to pay. Your institute need to pay to get this what we can say to get this database, isn't it? Scopus database. So we do not have that access. I have that Scopus database access because recently I had reviewed one paper for that for their journal, elsewhere journal. So that is why I have this 30-day subscription, right? And most of the IITs and IIMs have this subscription. So generally we have to rely on this IIT or IIM people. They have this subscription, so they can easily send you this data. The only thing is that you will have to send these keywords and this boolean syntax to them. They can download this CSV file and send it to you, and rest of the part you can take care, means you can perform that descriptive and bibliometric analysis on your own. Okay, and if you wish to get that content analysis, you can ask them to copy that plots. Okay, and you can means whatever plots we discussed about this. So once you download this 723, there is another option, that is analyze results. So here you can see there is another option, analyze results. Once you click on this analyze result, so it will take you to this page. So this is content analysis. This is content analysis plots. So you can ask him. So you just need to copy this, and you can paste it in another file, and you can copy it. You can ask him to send that file.
Okay, thank you, sir. Dear participant, if you have any question, kindly text in the chat box so that we can forward it to sir. And while if any response from the sir, definitely we'll put a answer in the WhatsApp group.
No, you can ask me. You can ask me, no problem. But the
Now,
only thing is that in between, if I get disconnected, so I will rejoin with my mobile, and then I will respond.
Okay, thank you, sir.
That's
Yes, dear participant, you can put a text message for a question so that we can ask to the sir. Okay. Okay, thank you. Let's move for the vote of thanks for today's session. I think. Okay. So now let us move for the vote of thanks. Very good afternoon to everyone present here. On behalf of the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Lord's Institute of Engineering and Technology, I deem it a great honor and privilege to deliver the vote of thanks for the today's section of our 6 days virtual national level faculty development program on emerging research paradigms, methodology, and analytical tools and AI integration. First and foremost, I extend our heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed resource person, Dr. Ganesh B. Narkade, sir, Assistant Professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering, EAIT, Pune. Sir, your insightful session brought immense clarity to our emerging paradigms in Industry 4.0, sustainable manufacturing and supply chain. Your deep academic expertise, background by your impactful publication in Scopus and Web of Science and APDC Index Journal has greatly enriched our understanding. We are truly thankful for your time, your knowledge, and your willingness to share your valuable experience with us. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. And I also express our sincere appreciation to our management, principal, sir, especially joint secretary, sir, and head of the Department of Mechanical Engineering for unwavering supporting committee, the technical team, and all the faculty members who work in tireless behind the scene to ensure the smooth conducting today's section. Thank you, and all. And dear participant, we are shared the feedback link in the chat box. Please give the feedback for the today's section, and hopeful tomorrow once again we'll meet for the next section. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Ganesh Nakare, sir.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you. Actually, I
Yes, sir.
apologize. Actually, I had planned this session for at least 2 hours, but actually, as I said, I am at my hometown, and because of my that power shortage, I couldn't take it further. But I mean, see, in future, if I get a chance, I will elaborate in detail. Actually, I know I took this session very fast, so you might not have understood how to use this R Studio and VoiceViewer and mainly. But the only thing means my intention was at least you will come to know what are the different tools and what will be their applications, so that you can search them on YouTube and other sources, so you can see how you can use for writing good literature review paper. Okay, but in future if I get chance, so I will definitely tell you in detail how to use all these tools.
Thank you very much, sir. And for time being, I said in a short time we learn many things from you, sir. Especially the art studio and was we were it's very interesting topic for us. And
Mm-hmm.
definitely our
there are
participant.
there are so many tools, sir. There are so many tools.
Yes.
Hmm.
And definitely for those who are pursuing PhD and those who want to go for like in-depth research, and this is a shortcut for them to use this kind of tools. And thank you, sir, for your this valuable session.
Yeah, thank you very much, sir. I would like to thank Mr. Sai Suman sir for inviting me and for giving this opportunity.
Yes, I think sir has been some injured, so he did not report to college. But anyhow, sir is with us, and
Yes, yes,
we'll
yes.
convey sir your message. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Should I leave, sir?
Yes, sir. You can leave, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Dear participant, you can leave the meeting. Today's session is completed. Now, please, everyone fill up the feedback form.